This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Beth Williams. Live minutes from Southend and Uptown. Great floor plan that is open and lives big for its 2,812 square feet, not a wasted space in this one. The upgraded kitchen features a great island and a 5-burner gas range. Upstairs you will find a large master bedroom and 3 other nicely sized bedrooms, as well as a flex space/loft that could serve as a home office, playroom, second family room. Laundry room with great extended couter workspace. The attached 2-car garage on a level, 1/3 acre lot with a private backyard make this a great find so close to Uptown and Southend. For more information, review the details below.